celebration. Oh, what the hell? I had like an inch left to the explosion. Damn it! Damn it, damn it. See, you still... Ayo, what is up you guys? And today we're going to be playing some Hunting Pass Anniversary mode. I played this because somebody invited me, and it showed that it was times 3 money and times 3 RP. So if you guys are beginners and you're a beginner, if you guys are a beginner in GTA 5 online, you should basically try this out. So there's basically a defender and an attacker. You guys will soon know what to do. So there's a little there's this truck right there, and we have to like stop it. So bump, bumpy, bump, bump, bump. God, dude, this guy's a good defender. Wait. Oh no. Come on, faster, dog. Faster, Cholo. Faster. All right. Come on, go faster. Yes. Hit. Boom. Got a hit right there. Another hit. Oh my god. Just help us out. Oh wait, no, you're not helping us. Oh god, you just destroyed me. Now I'm like at the last position, which makes it bad because I cannot really attack the truck. I'll soon explain it to you guys right after this video, but right after this game. But dude, this guy really doesn't want me to get near the truck. He really wants to like kill me. I can see it in his car headlights. No, I twisted. All right, let's go for him again. Come on, faster, dog. All right, dude. My plan here is to basically, once he's in midair, I want to hit him. Just like that, what my teammate did. Oh crap, no, I'm falling. Wait, don't tell me he's actually still alive. Is he actually still alive? How did they not explode? Oh my god, I think they're gonna make it in the end. I think they're gonna make it in the end. Oh crap, I'm gonna focus here. So I'm gonna explain to you guys now. So the trucks basically have this limited speed where, like, for example, if you go lower than 20 kilometers per hour, the proximity bomb that is on the truck will start to blow up. So our goal here is to slow him down before he gets to the area where he needs to. There will be like 3 parts. There will be the runner, which is the one that's driving the truck. There will be the attacker, which is me, the one that has to attack the runner, which is the truck. And we have the defender, which defends the truck from when it explodes. Now, once he gets to the end, us attackers basically use, and the defenders win together with the run. So, as you guys see, that green thing is when he makes it there, he basically won. Just lost, that damn it. I knew that was gonna come. Yo, he was a good defender, dog. He was a real good defender. I'm pretty sad I'm actually quite sad from that. Dude, he's actually an amazing defender. Got a shock. Like, wow. So we're gonna have one more round. I have to activate it again. But now I am the defender, which is the guy that has to take care of the truck. So hopefully I'm not that good of a defender, but I'm better as a runner, not a defender. Alright, attack. Especially on the side, just so that I can take care of them. You see, this is where they jump, you guys. And when they jump, they basically go. So I'm gonna try to stop. And, oh no, I failed. Fudge, get faster! No! The truck is going to explode! Oh no, this is not good. This is not good. Oh, this is not good. I'm so nervous. This is not a good round for me. I feel like they're gonna win. I'm telling you that right now, they're gonna win. You can see on the map, it's quite slowing down. This guy's like after him. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm actually really scared. And I think I'm a hero. Yeah. The exact same time as I'm gonna hear a, it just blew up. Well, looks like they won. God damn it, dog. Why you gonna be like that to me? Why? This is not a good round for me. I am not liking this damn round. God damn it. Ah! Alright. Let's try again next time. Could have won. I could have won. Instead I was a dumb one. Alright, and we're back to being the attackers once again. Which I don't know why I keep being the attacker, but you gotta do what you gotta do, right? I really hope you get. And also, you guys, I suggest playing this because it gives you a lot of money. Like even if you lose, you get like 25,000, and then when you win, you get like 30 to 40,000 dollars, GTA dollars, and like, that's kind of like shocking. Just the amount of money. I'm pretty. Yes. No, he's backing. He's quite smart. No, but I'm boosting him up if I hit him, so let me stay in the back of it, pushing him. God damn it, what's my teammate? I thought my teammate was blocking him in. Are you dumb? Oh, that's your mind. You won your first ever round. We won our first ever win. Yes. I'm happy. I'm so darn happy that we finally won. I was scared that we wouldn't even get one win. That they would just win. Alright, so now I'm the runner. I like being the runner. It's fun, but then also the pressure's on me. So now I'm the runner. You guys will soon understand. Runner. Alright. 3, 2, 1. And as you guys see on the side, it says explode and speed. Now if my speed goes below the line, the explode will start to increase, and when the explode fills, then I explode. So yeah. All of this snap. I gotta. Oh god! Wait! I'm already being attacked. Oh no! This is. Oh my goodness! Oh, they're hella good. Okay, backing. Never mind. It's trying to lock me out. It's trying to. Go on. Wait. They're glitching out. Backing. Get some speed. With descend the explode. Oh crap. Oh crappy fatty myself. No, I'm gonna explode. Oh, what the hell? I have like an inch left to the explosion. Damn it. See, you still get 23k. It's a bunch of money and a 2,000 RP, which is amazingly good. It's not the best, but we're the winner. Can't really do anything about that. So close yet so darn far. Gosh. Yeah, we weren't close at all. They had 2 wins. Two damn wins. We only had one win. Our enemy was good. Our enemy was hella good. So these are the other maps. Most players wouldn't really show these maps because they're quite boring. But I just wanted to show them, you guys. So just in case if you wanted to, in case you just wanted to, see the maps, what kind of maps they are. These are the maps. There's one map that I recommend the most. It's a Hunting Pack Remix number 1. It has like, I'm not even gonna tell it. You're just gonna find out yourself. So You can also search it up on YouTube. Maybe some people will play it. But it's the best one for me, I think, personally, because I get to fly. Oh god, I just spoiled it. Alright guys, so while I am going to be waiting for the next round, I have a 3-second challenge for you guys. If you guys can turn your phone vertically and hit the like button with your nose in 3 seconds, if you guys did, comment down like. Alright, your 3 seconds starts now. 3, 2, 1, done. And if you guys did it, comment down below like. That's a little like. So basically I'm gonna play one more round because I need to gain some more money. And if you guys know, I've just started GTA 5 online, and this event actually helped me a ton. So I'm gonna play one more round, and that will be the end of today's video, guys. And if you guys did like it, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll never miss out on any videos I make. So that will be the end of today's video. See you guys next time. Bye. Have a nice